There are some iPhone users have a concern about a black line appearing on the screen. If you are faced with the same issue, do not worry. In this video, we will show you 7 ways to fix black lines on iPhone screen. Solution 1. Restart iPhone. Press and hold the power and volume down button until the slide to power off prompt appears on the screen, then slide from left to right to shut down iPhone. Solution 2. Cycling the battery. Charge your iPhone to 100%, and then drain it to 0%, at last, recharging iPhone to 100% again. This helps to neutralize the excessive electrostatic discharge. Solution 3. Update iOS. To update iOS software on your iPhone, go to Settings, choose General, and click Software Update. If there is an available update, press the Download and Install button to confirm your update. The updating process will begin. Solution 4. Reset iPhone. Reset iPhone means resetting your iPhone to factory settings. Go to Settings, click General, click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click Erase All Content Settings button. Click Continue, and enter the passwords to confirm this action. After that, it will remind you to uploading data to iCloud before Erase iPhone. You can finish upload then erase or erase now. Solution 5. Restore iPhone via iTunes. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone to the trusted computer with original USB. Click the iPhone icon after it displays on the screen and then tap on Summary. If you don't back up before, you can choose Backup now. After backup, you just press on Restore iPhone to factory reset your device. Solution 6. Use Joyoshare UltFix iOS System Recovery. If the issue still not resolved, you can use Joyoshare UltFix to fix black lines on iPhone screen. It can fix more than 150 common iOS issues. You can free download it here. Install and launch Joyoshare UltFix on the computer. Next, plug your iPhone to the computer, and put your iPhone into the DFU mode. After that, choose iOS System Repair option to proceed, and then press the Start button to begin. You are now in the mode selection window. There are 2 modes available for you. Here we select the standard mode, then press the next button. Some of the info about your iPhone will be displayed on the screen. Make sure all the info is correct and change the wrong parts. Then press the download button to download the matching firmware package. Lastly, click the repair button. The downloaded firmware package will be unzipped, and the program will start to fix your iPhone issue. A few minutes later, the repairing process will finish, and your iPhone will come back to the normal. Solution 7. Repair LCD or OLED display. If above solutions not work, it is the hardware issue. Your iPhone screen got some damage. We highly recommend that you find the nearest Apple store for screen replacement service.